In this video I want to show you how to change the temperature on a GE oven. This particular one has a ceramic top and it's black, but it doesn't matter what version GE that you have or even oven that you have. It's pretty much the same concept. So I'm in the United States and we use Fahrenheit. So what you have to do first to heat up the oven is you have to preheat it. And preheating it takes about anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes to get to the temperature you want. So we're going to go ahead and change the temperature. We're going to make it 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So the only thing you have to do is just go to the very center part of the oven, and what you're going to do is you're going to hit bake. Okay, the starting temperature is 350, and I want to hit the plus to 375, and then what I want to do is I want to hit start. Now if you want to hold it down, let's say your temperature's higher, I want to go to 450. I can hold down the plus and it goes by fives. So let's say I want to get to 450, and then if you want to go lower, if you made a mistake, you can just hit the minus or hold it down. So let's go ahead and go to 375, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hit start. The bake, as you can see here, the bake is blinking until you hit start. And then what PRE means preheat. And like I said, that could take about 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and wait 10 minutes and we'll come back and then I'll show you what to do and how to time it afterwards. Once our oven is done preheating, you're going to hear it beep 4 or 5 times, and it's going to change the PRE light to the actual temperature of the oven. And sure enough, if we open it up, you can feel that it's hot. It's ready to go. Now let's say we're going to cook something in the oven for 30 minutes. We're going to go ahead and time that. And to do the timer, you just hit the timer once. And if you hold down the positive, it'll go in increments of 10 seconds. And so let's say we want to do 30 minutes. I keep holding it down. And then it'll keep going up. And then if I want to lower, if I went too high, I could just hold the minus down. Or just hit like that, and it'll go, if you hit it like this, it'll go in increments of a second. And then we'll hit, let's say we're doing 1 minute, we'll hit start. And then the little cursor will go solid, and then it'll count down from there. And then once the time is up, it'll beep again. Alright, that's how you operate a GE oven range. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.